Welcome to KIDOZTOYS. Hello everyone, this is Hansla and Kainat back again. Hansla, wait, no, stop, because we are making a video, that who eats their jelly first, okay? So guys, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe to this channel, Twin Kiddos Toy, and where we do different things every day with toys, and we do reviews, and we do some stuff with the food as well. So, okay guys, do you know what is the game we're playing today, Hansla and Kainat? Okay, so now, on count on 3, you guys will start eating your jelly and we'll see who's the winner, okay? So 1, 2, 3, go! So they are both eating it right now. What do you guys think who's gonna win? I have a feeling that Kainat. But then I have a feeling maybe Hansla. Good job, guys. Wow. Almost there, Hansla. That's nice. So they were watching their TV. Are you already finished, Kainat? Yay! Good job, Hansla. It's okay, but you almost finished it too, Hansla. Yay! Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Good job, Hansla. Do you want to give high five to each other as well? Good job. And huggy too. Huggy kar do. Good job. That's nice. Thank you, guys. It's just a small video, and the winner of this game is 1M, maybe second time Hansla win, but this time Kainat! Yay! Thank you, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share this video, and we will see you next one. Until then, take care. Say bye bye, everyone. Nice, okay. Thank you at the end. Bye now, everyone. See you next time.